Okie dokie. So this is just a quick little, I tried to go live, it wasn't working. So this is a quick little video showing you how to feature the group on your personal page. So keep in mind, mine is all black background because I use the dark theme for Facebook. So it will work the same way whether you are using the light theme or the dark theme. This only works on desktop. It will feature it on mobile, but you can't set up the feature on mobile. You can only set it up on your desktop. So you come here to your own profile. You should see all these edit capabilities, right? And then you're going to scroll down here to where you would see maybe a collage of featured photos. You're going to click edit featured. And the first thing that you want to do when you come in here is if you have a grid of featured photos, just X all of them out, make them all go away. So you have a blank featured section. And then when you get in here, you're going to see they're going to have all these suggestions, right, of photos and whatnot. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling. As you keep going down, you're going to get past all of your albums and all that kind of stuff. And then when you get all the way down to the bottom, it's going to start to give you options that are not photos. So I have too many photos and too many photo albums, clearly. But as we keep scrolling, sorry, it's being a little slow. Okay, see here, now we come into groups. So it may or may not show in this first set of groups, depends how many groups you're in. So go ahead and hit see more, or in this case, you can just do the search because you might have a lot of groups. So hit the search here, and I would just type in virtual because that's the first part of the group. Make sure that you grab the boutique, not our vendor group. So it should look like this where it says support small business this holiday season, not sign up for your booth below. And then you just select it and it'll show up like this. If it's the only thing there, it'll be this nice big square. And then when they click on it, it'll take them right to the group where they would opt in. Okay, so I hope that helps. And if you have any other questions, let me know. Okay, bye guys.